Welcome to this tutorial on keying substantiated incidents in the SSV Web Respondent tool. You must first record substantiated incidents on the summary form before you can submit specific incident forms. For each substantiated incident reported, the system will automatically create an incident form and place it on your dashboard. On the right side of the screen, you will see a table. This table shows what you reported on the summary form and how many incident forms of each type you need to complete. Every substantiated incident listed must have a completed incident form. This table will also help you check if categories match, if forms are missing, or if there are any discrepancies with the summary form. You have 3 ways to complete an incident form. 1. Click Upload Incident Form to submit an individual PDF for each incident. 2. Click Upload Spreadsheet. Refer to the spreadsheet upload tutorial for demonstration. 3. Key your data. This is the recommended method. Click the Start button next to the incident form and enter the information directly into the system. Let us walk through the keying process. Click Start to open the incident form. Begin with entering the general incident information. Once complete, you will land on the Review of Incident page. Note, the online form differs slightly from the paper form, asking about the incident first, then the victims and perpetrators. If you need help navigating, please contact us. The number of victims and perpetrators will populate automatically from your responses in the General section. To change these numbers, return to the General section. For example, I reported 1 victim and 2 perpetrators. Each has appeared here, and I will need to complete details for all 3. Click Start next to each victim and perpetrator to complete their details. You will see a notes section at the end of each victim and perpetrator section. If there are any additional details about the victim or perpetrator you would like to provide, you can enter those here. Once this information is completed, you will land on the Review of Victim page. Use this page to see and fix any listed issues. When finished entering all victim and perpetrator information, click Submit Incident Form. From the dashboard, you may enter into additional incidents or correct any errors. The Submit Data button will only activate after all incident forms are complete. This concludes the tutorial on entering substantiated incidents.